Hey guys, this is Maria from TVSocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use Flash on Instagram Reels. Instagram users may enable Flash while recording videos on Reels. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile tab and click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Select the Reel option. Once the camera screen opens, hit the arrow icon on the left-hand side. Then press on the flash icon. As you can see, the flash is turned on. Now hit the button in order to start recording your video. As soon as the video is recorded, you may add the sound, insert stickers, write something, and apply different effects. After that, click on the next button in the bottom right corner and share your video to Reels. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Flash on Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TVSocial.com.